The Black Shark 4 is coming to the Philippines real soon, and here's what the excitement is all about. Physical buttons? Yes. Thanks to Black Shark's innovative magnet lift technology, ultra-responsive shoulder triggers work like a beast with a gentle press for precise, customizable control in competitive games. When not in use, the triggers disappear seamlessly back into the edge of the Black Shark 4. By improving the algorithm and fine-tuning the system, Black Shark has achieved touch accuracy of 0.004 millimeters, the best in the industry. Black Shark 4 will more than keep up and greatly enhance your stability and accuracy. Black Shark 4 is equipped with Snapdragon 870, one of Qualcomm's latest processors, which employs advanced 7nm process technology with 8-core architecture for blazingly fast processing power. The Cryo 585 CPU SuperColor offers clock frequencies up to 3.2 GHz for an incredibly powerful performance. Engineered using a patented welding technology, 2 liquid cooling units sandwich internal components for a 30% overall increase in heat dissipation. Furthermore, Black Shark 4 features a 3.1 RAM and LPDDR5 ROM to make sure data is transferred at the fastest speed in the phone for quick installation and loading of games and switching between scenes. Learn more by visiting our website.